Before you grab that pump and bless your car with $47.19 worth of liquid gold, stop. Take your hand off the nozzle, because today I'm exposing the 12 gas station habits that 90% of drivers do. And every single one of them is basically a slow motion car murder. I've been a mechanic for 23 years and I've seen fuel systems destroyed faster than your savings account during a Starbucks run. Let's dive in. 12, running on empty. The fuel pump death sprint. You ever play that dangerous game of how far past zero can I go? Yeah, your car is not impressed. I had a Subaru Outback roll into my shop with a fuel pump fried so badly it looked like it had just run a marathon in a volcano. The owner loved driving on fumes for efficiency. My guy, that's not efficiency, that's self-sabotage. Your fuel pump sits inside the tank and the gas cools it. When the tank's empty, the pump cooks like a rotisserie chicken. New rule: when the gauge hits 1/4 tank, you're out. Pit stop time. 11, re-entering your car while pumping the Static Shock Fireball. Winter, you start pumping gas, hop back into your warm car, scroll TikTok, then slide back out. Congratulations, you just became a human taser. Static electricity plus fuel vapors equals not the superhero origin story you want. A woman in Minnesota almost lit herself in her Toyota like a scented holiday candle. The fix? Before touching the nozzle again, tap metal on the car. Ground yourself. Live to like another day. 10, the tanker truck trap, fresh gas, but make it spicy. You pull into a station and see the giant tanker topping off the underground tanks. You think, nice, fresh gas. No! That tanker turns the underground tank into a snow globe of rust, dirt, and water sediment. You pump during that chaos, you're basically feeding your car a mud smoothie. If you see the tanker, drive away 20 minutes, then come back. 9, cheap Octane games, turbo engines begging for mercy. A guy with a turbo Civic came in complaining of a funny noise when I step on it. Funny? The pistons looked like squirrels had been chewing on them. If your car says premium required, it's not a suggestion. It's not a scam. It's the engineers politely saying, please don't blow us up. Use the correct octane unless your dream is paying $5,200 to rebuild an engine that sounds like it swallowed a toolbox. 8, E15/E85 confusion, the alcohol problem. Those yellow pump handles, yeah, they're not for you unless you have a flex fuel vehicle. A Toyota came into the shop with fuel lines that looked like they'd been dipped in warm caramel. Owner had been filling with E85 because it was cheaper. The 85 is almost pure alcohol. Your car is not a frat boy. It can't handle that. Only use E15/E85 if your car explicitly says flex fuel. Otherwise, expect melted hoses and sad bank accounts. 7, topping off the great charcoal canister flood. Ah, yes, the sacred ritual. The pump clicks at $38.50 and you say, no, we are hitting $40. Click, click, click. What you just did? You force-fed fuel into your EVAP system, a system designed for vapors, not liquid. A simple roundup turned a RAV4's charcoal canister into a gasoline jello mold. Repair bill, $1,350. When the pump clicks, you're done. Step away, let it go, breathe. 6, forcing the pump, the broken pump that's actually your car. You ever get a pump that just keeps clicking off? Some drivers jam the nozzle in, twist it, do a little ritual dance, anything to force the gas in. One guy broke the vent valve and filler neck on his Tahoe at price tag $800. And if it won't fill, don't fight it. Try another pump. If all of them click out, your vent valve needs help, not WWE wrestling moves. 5, pumping with the engine running, the ghost check engine light. Some folks pump gas with the engine running for AC, heat, vibes, whatever. All modern cars run pressure tests on the fuel tank. Open the cap while the engine's running. The computer screams, we're leaking, panic. Boom, on check engine light, a delivery driver paid $180 for diagnostics because of this. Just turn the car off, simple. 4, the cheap gas station your engine hates bargain detergent. There's always that one sketchy station with pumps older than your grandma that's 10 cents cheaper. And there's always that one customer who wonders why their car sounds like it's gargling gravel. Cheap gas equals weak detergents equals carbon buildup that sticks to valves like burnt lasagna. Top tier gas matters. Your engine can tell the difference. 3, the nozzle half out technique. Gasoline shower time. You pull the nozzle back to speed up the flow, or because you're impatient. Bad idea. The shutoff sensor needs the nozzle fully seated. Pull it out and the pump has no idea what's happening. Next thing you know, you're baptizing your shoes in unleaded. Insert fully, lock it, walk away. 2, the wrong fuel disaster, the $10,000 mistake. Gasoline into diesel, diesel into gas, DEF into anything. A man filled his $80,000 F-250 diesel with gas, realized his mistake, and then, brace yourself, started the truck to move it. He created a metal confetti machine inside his fuel system. Complete system replacement, $10,000. Rule: if you miss fuel, do not start the engine, not even for just a few seconds. Push the car. Tow it. Anything but start it. 1, ignoring the gas cap, the $5 part that causes $500 problems, and a college student came in with a Mazda that ran horribly whenever it rained. Mystery? Not really. Her gas cap seal was cracked and dirty. Rainwater was getting into the tank. Water sinks to the bottom, right into the fuel pump. Rust, stalling, injector damage, all from one $5 gasket. Check your gas cap, replace it if needed. Easy win. And there you have it. The 12 gas station mistakes that destroy cars faster than teenagers destroy brake pads. If you made it this far, congratulations. You now officially know more about fuel systems than 90% of drivers on the road. If you want to keep your car running smoother, longer, and cheaper, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your worst gas station mistake in the comments. Stay safe, stay fueled, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.